Right now I'm sitting in the middle of Hacımusalar Mound. We are in Elmalı, Antalya, in southwestern Turkey. This is a karstic plain, a polye by geological terms, and it has a long human settlement history. In the second half of 18th century, a European traveler, Charles Texier, visited the Elmalı plain and documented major archaeological sites. About 100 years later, an American archaeologist, Machteld Melling, visited the plain, and she spent almost 30 years at the plain, investigating the archaeological remains, mounds, and tumuli. Her research explored Elmalı plain in great detail, and in 1994, Bilkent University launched the first excavations at Hacımusalar Mound. The plain, as I said, has a long human settlement history starting with the Neolithic period, almost at the beginning of the Holocene. And this settlement history continued without major interruption up until the end of the medieval period. At Hacımusalar Mound, the excavations that started in 1994 went on until 2019 without interruption. And in 25 years, at 5 sectors of the mound, archaeologists discovered different structures that range from the early Bronze Age to the late Byzantine period. Right behind me is the major structure on the mound, which is an early Byzantine church. And it is now in completely excavated phase that is awaiting restoration. Starting from the summer of 2022, on behalf of the Ministry of Culture and Tourism and Istanbul Technical University, we are launching the second phase of excavations at Hacımusalar Mound. Our aim in this new exploration phase is not just to excavate and reveal the archaeological material, but rather turn this opportunity into an interdisciplinary field school where scholars and students will come together to receive theoretical education and then going out on the field, exploring and testing the theoretical knowledge in various areas, including but not limited to archaeology. These areas are geology, geophysics, remote sensing, architectural history, restoration, and conservation. So we are hopeful that you will join us in this adventure, and we are waiting for you. Thank you.